In this video, we'll walk through how to manage groups using the All Groups tab under Social Groups Settings. This is where you can view, create, and manage all groups across your community. Let's get started. This tab displays a complete list of all existing groups in your community. Each group shows key details including its name, privacy level, number of members, group type, and last activity. At the top, you can use filters to refine your view. You can filter by group type, sort by newest, or search for a specific group by name. Next is creating a new group. Click Create New Group to open the creation form. From here, you'll set the group name, permalink, and an optional description. Then choose the group privacy setting, Public, where anyone can view and join the group. Private, where users must request access. Hidden, where the group is only visible to invited members. Once configured, click Save to create the group. Now let's look at managing existing groups. From the list, locate a group and click the three-dot menu to access quick actions. You can view the group, edit its settings, or delete it permanently. For bulk management, select multiple groups using the checkboxes, choose a bulk action, then click Apply. This makes it easy to manage large numbers of groups efficiently, and that's how you manage groups using the All Groups tab. These tools give you full control over creating, organizing, and maintaining all groups in your community.